there. Let's take a closer look at the B pattern for I've Got My Love to Keep Me Warm. In particular, I'm going to take you through an exercise that I really like to use when I'm working on a tough chord progression, and especially a progression like this that moves at 2 beats per chord. All right, so a quick review of the chords we are playing here. This is the B section again of I've Got My Love to Keep Me Warm. If you've got your song chart there, it begins with the lyrics, off with my overcoat, off with my gloves. We're going to start on the B minor chord. Again, you can play that as a full bar chord here with your ring finger on the 4th fret of G. You can play it just with the bar on the 2nd fret. That's technically now a B minor 7 chord. You can also play that with all 4 fingers across the 2nd fret. B minor 7, they are interchangeable in this song. I will say B minor, but just know you can choose the shape that works for you. Likewise with F sharp 7 that comes after that. The full official shape is my index fingers here on the 2nd fret of E. Middle comes to the 3rd fret of G. Ring and pinky are going to be on the 4th fret of C and A. I'll scooch in a little bit so you can see that more closely. You can also, however, leave this E string open. If you want to take your E7 shape, scooch it up to the 4th fret, 3rd and 4th fret, I should say. This open E, you'll hear it sounds a little different. It's kind of doubling up the sound, but it's not wrong, right? So again, choose the challenge that works for you. This F sharp 7 or this F sharp 7. Those are the 2 chords we kick it off with, B minor or B minor 7 to F sharp 7. Then we go back to B minor to E7. Second line is A minor, back to E7, back to A minor, close it out with a D7. And as I said, the hard part about this pattern is not so much how hard it is to get from one chord to the next, but that you only have 2 beats for each chord. So I'm going to guide you through this exercise here. One more time, let's walk our way through the chords, and then we'll start to add some rhythm. B minor or B minor 7, F sharp 7. Really pay attention to what finger is leading the rest of the fingers, right? And also, what's the general shape? Back to B minor, so you can kind of anticipate. E7, spot yourself, visualize where you're going. Then second line, A minor, back to E7, back to A minor again, and D7 to close it out. Now when we add some rhythm, we're going to strum on the first beat of each measure, and we're going to give ourselves 4 beats to move between the chords. Don't feel like you have to hang on till the very end. Make your move as soon as you need to. 1, 2, B minor, here we go. 1, 2, F sharp 7, ready, and strum. 2, back to B minor, strum. 2, E7, and strum. 2, 3, A minor, 1, 2, E7, and strum. Back to A minor, and strum. To D7, and strum. Again, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now 3 beats each, like this. B minor, 2, F sharp, 7, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, E7, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, E7, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, D7. Again, 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now 2 beats. Here we go. B minor, F sharp 7, back to B minor, D7, A minor, E7, A minor, D7. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When you're ready, add a strum or just stick to single strums. Remember, spot yourself, think ahead as best you can. Again, and notice my up strums are just empty strings. But I'm making sure I get to the next chord by the downbeat. One more time. Off with my overcoat, off with my glove. Who needs an overcoat? I'm burdened with love. And pause. When we get to G, that means we're back at the A pattern, back in the rest of the song. So feel free to work that exercise together with me again. I encourage you to do it on your own too, with your own metronome. Really work on that muscle memory from the inside, keeping that strong visual on it. Take a moment too just to close your eyes. Can you see your fingers moving from one chord to the next? That's a really great way to support your muscle memory as well. When you're ready, you can join in on the play along. See you there. Enjoy your practice.